Hello guys, welcome back to Game Development Specialist here, and today we're going to look into sound effects. First, I've made some sound effects using a software called Audacity. I will have a download link in the description. Then I have imported sounds into this Unity project. But before we start, I wanted to say that we created our own Discord server where you can ask questions about programming or game development. Link is in the description. So what we want to do is that by clicking a button, the sound effect will be played. For this, we create 5 buttons for each sound, 1 button. I will adjust them so they aren't at the same place. Then I'll rename the button. So the first button is called clap, the second is beep, the third is knocking, the fourth is something like clicking, and the last will be close book. Next, I will create a new C# script and I will open it up in Visual Studio. So here we have our script, and first we have to declare some variables for our different sound effects. So we're going to write public audio source clap, then public audio source beep, and then public audio source knocking, then public audio source clicking, last but not least public audio source close book. Then for every effect we have to make a new method. So the first public void called play clap. Now in the function we simply write clap.play. This will play our sound effect when the function is called. Then we repeat this for every audio source. After we have done this, we save the script and we open Unity again. There we make a new empty game object and we'll call it Audio Manager. There we attach the script. You can attach the script also in the main camera or every other game object, but personally I prefer making a new game object. One of the last steps is that we have to create a new game object for each sound and attach sound to it in order to get an audio source. Then you have to add these game objects to our game manager, audio manager, and drag them into the inspector like I did. Then at last, we have to attach the audio manager to the onClick event for every button and select the right function. After we have done this, when we go into play mode and click the button, we should hear the sound. Alright, so everything is working properly and fine. Important to know is that we can put sound effects everywhere. For example, when we want to hear sound effect, when we enter the scene, we put, for example, the clap.play function into the awake or start method. So this is it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to see new content every week. I'll see you guys in the next video.